Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change FPL team name, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that you gotta do it by your browser. So go ahead, open up your browser, type in Fantasy Premier League and get into the official website. Now go ahead and sign in as well. Once you're done signing in, this is how the interface is gonna look like. Go ahead, switch the option of peak team and now scroll to the bottom. Then from over here, scroll all the way to the bottom till you find this option of team details. Go ahead, tap on it. Then from over here, you're going to find your team name at the bottom right over there. You can see you can change it to the maximum 20 characters. Go ahead, tap on it and change it according to your need. Then scroll to the bottom. Then go ahead, tap on this option of update details as highlighted. And there you go. The name has been changed according to as on the top, as you can see right over there. And that is it. Make sure to follow the steps accordingly and just do it right away and you will be able to change your name like that. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.